Hi everyone. Today we'll be talking about Chapter 2 Fundamentals of Partnership. The subtopics to be covered are preparation of profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account with the help of an example. I have already discussed the formats of these accounts in my previous videos. Kindly refer to those videos for better understanding. Now let's take an example. X and Y entered into partnership on 1st April 2017. Their capitals on 1st April 2019 were 2 lakh and 1 lakh 50,000 respectively. Now these are the opening balances since the date which is given is 1st of April. On 1st October 2019, X gave 50,000 as loan to the firm. Now since this is the loan which is given by the partner to the firm, it would carry interest at the rate of 6% per annum. Since the date of loan is given as 1st of October, therefore it will be calculated for 6 months. As per the provisions of the partnership deed, 20% of the profits before charging interest on drawings means the profits in which interest on drawings is not added, but after making appropriations from which the appropriations have been subtracted, was to be transferred to general reserve. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 12%. It can be directly calculated on the amount of capitals since the opening capitals are given. And interest on drawings is to be charged at 10%. Now since the date of drawings is not given in the question, therefore interest on drawings will be charged, but the average period applied would be 6 months. X is to get monthly salary of 5,000, so we are going to multiply it by 12. And Y to get a salary of 22,500 per quarter, so we'll multiply it by 4. X is entitled to a commission of 5% on sales and the sales value is given. Profit to be shared in the ratio of capitals up to 175,000 and balance equally. Now if you look at the question, the ratio of capitals would be 2 lakh is to 1 lakh 50,000, that is 4 is to 3. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 before allowing or charging interest was 4,61,000. The drawings are also given in the question. Pass the necessary journal entries relating to appropriation of profit, prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. So this was the question that we have taken. Now let's look at the solution. The working notes first. Interest on capital has been calculated on the opening balances of capital at the rate of 12%. Interest on drawings has been calculated on the amount of drawings at the rate of 10% and the average period of 6 months has been applied since the date of drawings was not given in the question. Salary has been calculated for X and Y respectively by multiplying by 12 in case of X and 4 in case of Y. Commission for X has been calculated as 5% of the sales value, which was given in the question as 3,50,000. Interest on loan has been calculated for X on the loan amount 50,000 at the rate of 6% and the number of months for which the interest is calculated is 6 months. Transfer to general reserve. Reserve amount is equal to 20% of the profits before charging interest on drawings but after making appropriations. So from the amount of profit given in the question, that is 4,61,000, we have subtracted all the charges and all the appropriations, but we have not added interest on drawings because that was a condition that was given in the question. So the profit for reserve is 2,50,000. The reserve amount is 20% of this profit for reserve, which amounts to 50,000. The next working note relates to the divisible profit. You can also calculate the divisible profit by preparing profit and loss appropriation account directly. I have calculated it in the working note by subtracting all the charges and appropriations from the profit and adding the interest on drawings. So the divisible profit amounts to 2,11,250, out of which the first 1,75,000 is to be distributed in the ratio of capitals, which is 4:3. The remaining profits, that is out of the total divisible profits, you subtract 1,75,000. The balance of the profit, that is 36,250, has been distributed between X and Y equally. So the total amount of divisible profit for X is 1,18,125 and for Y is 93,125. Let's have a look at the journal entries. The first journal entry is relating to the interest on capital. Interest on capital being an expense is debited and the partner's capital account is credited. Similarly, salary is debited and partner's capital account is credited. Same logic is followed in case of commission to X. So all these three appropriations have been debited and the partner's capital account has been credited. The next entry is regarding interest on drawings, which is an income. Hence, it is credited and the partner's capital account is debited. The next two entries are regarding the transfer of these appropriations and incomes to P&L appropriation account. I have done a combined entry for all the three appropriations by transferring them together to P&L appropriation debit side. The last entry on the page that you can see is for the transfer of interest on drawings to profit and loss appropriation account. We were also given interest on loan in the question. Interest on loan being an expense is debited, but it is transferred to the credit side of partner's loan account. So that is why X's loan account has been credited. Interest on loan is a charge. So therefore, it is transferred to the debit side of profit and loss account. There's a correction here. This is profit and loss account, not profit and loss appropriation account. The general reserve has also been transferred to the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Finally, the amount of profits have been distributed between X and Y according to the working note that we just prepared. Let's have a look at the profit and loss appropriation account. The various appropriations are shown on the debit side, namely interest on capital, salary, reserve, and commission to X. The profit that is transferred from profit and loss account is 4,59,500. Please note, you can also prepare a profit and loss account as a part of your working note. I have just shown the calculations here. From the profit given in the question, 4,61,000, I have subtracted 1,500, that is the amount of interest on loan. Interest on drawings has been mentioned on the credit side. After balancing the account, the divisible profit amounts to 2,11,250, which has been distributed between X and Y on the basis of the conditions that were given in the question. So you cannot directly calculate the profit transferred to X and Y. These profits are calculated after preparing the working note. Let's have a look at the partner's capital account. Now the opening balances have been shown on the credit side. The various appropriations such as interest on capital, salary, commission, they help in increasing the partner's capital account. Therefore, they are mentioned on the credit side. The profit also has been mentioned on the credit side. Interest on drawings and drawings, both of these are debited in the partner's capital account. Finally, after balancing, the balancing figure is calculated as 3,14,625 for X and 2,19,875 for Y. So in this question, a lot of appropriations were given. Interest on loan as a charge was given. Calculation of reserve was there. A lot of journal entries were there regarding all these appropriations and charges. You were required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account as well as the partner's capital account. I hope the concept is clear to everybody. If you really liked my content, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, Inside Accountancy by Shakun. It will really motivate me to upload more and more content. Thank you.